Now, if you don't have a suitable wall to install your Hoselink Evolve Hose Reel, there's no need to worry. Today, I'm going to show you how to install the Evolve freestanding mounting post, so you can use your reel wherever you like. First, you'll need to find a suitable spot to install the mounting post. You can place it anywhere that's easy to dig into, but the location will need to be close to a faucet. Once you've decided on your post location, mark out where you want to install it. Then, measure roughly 10 inches for the width of the hole you'll need to dig. The hole width needs to be at least 3 times the width of the post to accommodate the concrete. Start digging your hole until it's about 14 inches deep. You can use a shovel, post hole digger, or auger to easily create the right size opening for your mounting post. Once the hole is deep enough, pour in 4 inches of gravel to form the base. This will allow water to drain freely from around the mounting post. Use a tamping rod or a piece of timber to tamp down the gravel into an even layer. The Evolve mounting post will arrive in 2 parts. Now, before installing in the ground, you'll need to assemble it. To do this, put the post insert into the top of the mounting post. Then, simply tap the post against the ground until it's inserted all the way in. If it gets tight towards the end, you may need to use a hammer or mallet to tap it in the last few inches. You're now ready to set the mounting post in place. First, prepare your concrete according to the bag instructions. You'll need about 65 pounds of concrete in total. You'll need someone to hold the post in place while you check that it's level. Then, start adding in your concrete. Using a tamping rod or a piece of timber, repeatedly tap the concrete to compact it. This will enhance its strength. You'll need to ensure that the concrete sits approximately 10 inches up the mounting post. The concrete should come close to ground level. Double check the post is level before the concrete starts to dry. Then, wait 30 minutes for the concrete to harden before backfilling with soil. Make sure you allow the concrete to set fully for 24 hours before placing your Evolve hose reel onto the mounting post. For security, the Evolve mounting post also allows you to lock your hose reel to the post. To do so, simply slot the Evolve padlock through the back of the reel and lock into place. That's all there is to it. With the Evolve freestanding mounting post, you can now mount your Evolve reel wherever you like in your yard. Happy watering!